In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your high beam bulb in your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located in your headlight assembly. We're going to remove this cover first. It's gray, and it's got a little handle here, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. So I'm going to reach in, I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, like that, and it will pop right off. Let's take that out. And behind there, you're going to see a bulb. So this little lever is you're going to push it in, and then you're going to turn it this way. And that's going to release the bulb. So I'm going to reach in, I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to push in. So you're going to unhook that. And you're going to pull out the bulb. Make sure you're wearing gloves when handling these bulbs. We're going to unplug it once we can get it out of the area, because you're not going to be able to do that otherwise. You're just going to pull off the wires from the back of the bulb, like that. We're going to plug our bulb in. Again, make sure you're wearing gloves. Push it onto the connector. Find the notch on your bulb, which is right here, and make sure it's lined up with the notch in the socket in the headlight assembly. Place the bulb in, make sure it's lined up correctly. It should not swivel. Like if you try to turn it, it won't turn. You're going to feel when it goes in right. Once you get it in there, you're going to push down on this spring clip, and you're going to get it underneath its holder. Now we're going to put our cover on. Slide in the cover. And you're going to turn it clockwise to lock it in. Make sure it's secure, and you're good to go. Process is the same for the other side, only with less interference.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.